Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a duplicate background layer so you never lose original data. Next, make a precise selection around the hands with Lasso, Quick Select, or the Pen tool. Accuracy here saves time later. Once selected, add a layer mask and apply content-aware fill or use Edit Fill to remove the hands on the duplicate. You're doing these steps immediately so you have a clean working area to refine. Make sure to save a snapshot before moving on. Now you rebuild the replaced area. Create a new empty layer and use the clone stamp and healing brush while sampling current and below so you preserve edits on separate layers. Work in low opacity strokes and build texture in 2 to 3 passes. That prevents obvious repetitions. For complex skin or fabric, switch to patch tool or set up frequency separation to handle texture versus color independently. Once done, toggle layers on and off to verify seamless blending and natural contours. Finish by matching tone and texture so the edit disappears. Apply curves or color balance and use selective color or match color to align hues. Once the tones are correct, add a tiny amount of grain to the repaired area and apply selective sharpening to restore perceived detail. Flatten a copy for export, but keep the PSD with layers. If you see repeating artifacts, retrace sampling choices. A quick troubleshooting tip: resample from multiple nearby areas and work with smaller brush sizes to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.